So as you can see that you are into my computer screen, this is the website which I have built for food trucks. So if you are running any kind of food truck business, no matter what product you are selling, this website is going to help you in a lot way, because I have included all the feature and functionality which actually required for any food restaurants which runs on a wheel. So in this video I'm going to give you a complete tutorial of this website which I have built, and it has all the feature and functionality. As you can see, you can scroll down and it has beautiful design. Look how beautifully I have designed this website. You can scroll down and you can check everything right top to bottoms. I'm maintaining all the color scheme from throughout the website, so it creates the brand identity. So in this video I'm going to give you a complete walkthrough that if you're planning to have your own food truck business, so this website is going to be amazingly helpful for you and it will help you to grow your business. So make sure you watch this video till the end to know everything about this food truck business. So this is the home page of this website. If you click on here, so as you can see, we have home page. Basically I have designed this website is a single page website. I try to display everything on this website homepage. So this is the hero section. As you can see, this is the logo of the company, and I'm displaying 5 menus, and these all are toggle menu, which I'm going to tell you what it is. And this is the hero section. You can easily customize this image and you can easily change the color and have the color as per your brand identity. Here you can easily change the text, everything and all easily customizable. So if anybody clicks on home, so they will have here. If anybody wants to click on the menu, so they will directly come to the menu. It will automatically, let me show you once again. If I click on the menu, it will automatically drag to menu sections, and here they can see all the items which you sell on your food truck, and they can check the pricing, the foods you have, that's all they can check. And here I'm displaying the daily special like product which you are offering on your food truck, so you can easily customize this one. And these are the top rated product which generally any food truck businesses display here. So I have included this feature also, so you can display and you can customize as per your. Here you can add the text, and this is the menu. If I go to location and schedule, you can do that. So you know that when you run a food truck business, you go to specific places. So you can, what you can do, you can highlight the places where you offer your foods. So that's why I have make this location and schedule section. So if anybody wants to know that from which places you go with your food truck and sell your products, so they can easily come here, and from here through this map they can easily get the place where you are. So they will click on this view map direction and they will find your location, and they can come and they can have your services. And you can also display the timing, that what timings you are there. So the locations, all the location details would be there, the timing will be there, so everything you can display right up here. Let me take you again up there, and here is the about section. So here you can explain about your business, that who you are, what you do, about your company. You can talk about yourself, you can just write about yourself. So everything you can do is fully customizable, and everything right on this website you can do in terms of color, in terms of text, in terms of designing. It's fully up to you. And this is the about section. Now let me take you to the contact section. If anyone's click on the contact section, so they will directly scroll down to the bottom. Here as you can see, I have included the form. So if anybody wants to have any query, they can easily type their name, first name, last name, email ID, message, and they will click on send message. So you will get the message in your email or in your phone. And this is the contact information, where you are providing your email IDs and information and email and phone number, so they can get this from here also. And at the bottom, as you can see, I'm displaying your food truck image. It's look beautiful with this background. I really like, when I was designing this background, I really liked this image, and as you can see, it's a beautiful design. And here you can display all the social media profiles which you have. This is the copyright of your website, of your company. So that's it pretty much of this website, because it's a very short video. And when you try to create your food truck business, I must tell you that you should have your own website which help you to create the brand identity, because website is one of the most important things in this 2021. No matter what business you are doing, even you are running a normal stall or having a food trucks, because everybody is on their phone. They want to search whenever they want to get something, they search on their phone. So if you have your own website in a particular location, they can easily come up to you and they can take your service. So that's it in this video. I hope you have liked this video. If you have any question or any doubt, write in the comment section. I would love to try to help you out. And if you want that I can build this website for you, so do let me know. I would love to help you building this website for you. Here is my contact details, so get in touch with me. and let me help you to build this website. Have a great day. Bye bye. Take care.